regardless of what is going on around you. Make the best of what is in your power and take the rest as it occurs. Epictetus. For those of us that have read a little bit of Stoicism, this type of thinking appears quite regularly. What is external? What is internal? What is in our power? What is not in our power? What do I have control over? What do I not have control over? Whether it's from Seneca, Epictetus, Marcus Aurelius, whoever it may be, this theme comes up very often. In fact, you could argue it's one of the main lessons within the Stoic practice. The reason why I particularly like this one is it sounds like something that a more modern personal development coach or business coach would say. In fact, you could even argue, you could hear somebody saying this to you at the water cooler or at work when something's going wrong. Hey, ignore what's going on around you. Ignore all the noise. Ignore all the changes. Just focus on your power, on your strengths, on your unique abilities, and just take the rest as it comes. That is fantastic advice. And I would like to think that at some point in my life, I can get better and better and better and better at that. In my Stoic journey and my struggling to succeed journey, this is one thing I keep testing myself with. Earlier in my journey, and even to this day, I still get triggered by certain things at work, certain things in my personal life, and I certainly do get triggered the odd time I go on YouTube or Twitter and watch a little bit of news. The whole idea of using this practical philosophy is to get to the point where I can see these things happening, whether it's on the news, friends or family, or something going on at work, and I can actually assess quite quickly what's in my control and what's not in my control. Will I get there at some point in my life? I hope so. But for now, it's about daily training and about thinking about quotes like this from Epictetus and thinking about other ones that are similar from Seneca and Marcus Aurelius. And when I do get triggered, and when I do fall down a little bit of a spiral and start talking about things and getting worried about things outside of my control, it's going to be key for me to try to switch back in and think about this type of quote to realize, hold on a second, I'm wasting my time here. If you want to check out other videos that I've done where I talk about Stoicism, I'll make some up here at the end of the video along here. Also, you can follow me if you want to hit that subscribe button because I talk about Stoicism here, personal development, supplements, and a whole bunch of other things as I try to struggle to the success that I want in my life. If you like this video, you can hit that button for me as well. And hopefully, I will see you next time as we discuss more Stoic lessons. Thanks very much for watching. Make it a good one.